Looking at number 4 of the January 2020 Regents, they ask us which one could represent a function. So you might want to start with knowing what a function is. A function happens when each input or x value has only one output or y value. So give us their x is on the left-hand side and the f of x, g of x, h of x, or k of x, which is another way to say y. So any of our f of x, g of x, h of x, or k of x is just another way of saying our function value, our output. So if I look at choice 1, number 2 goes to 2, but number 2 also goes to 6. You could remember this as a mapping diagram. If you have a 2, it can't go to 2 and 6. You can't have 2 arrows coming off of it, so that is not a function. So I see that again here. 2 goes to 2, 2 goes to 6, not a function. In this third one, which is choice number 4, 3 goes to 2 and 3 goes to 6. So my only potential function is choice 2. 1 has an output of 2, 2 has an output of 4, 3 has an output of 6, and then 4 has an output of 2. So everybody has their own output. Every time you have an x value, it goes to its own y value. So your choice would be 2.